Hey, this is Tanya Davenport with Coldwell Banker High Country in the beautiful North Georgia mountains. I am in the little town of Mineral Bluff. I'm at a property off of Mull Drive. It's 469 Mull Drive in Mineral Bluff. The price on it is listed at $304,000. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. It was built in 1998. As you can see, that there is a fenced-in area for dogs. There's a little spot for parking. There's a nice little porch right here. I'm going to take you inside and show you what it looks like inside. It's 936 square feet. So you've got nice wood walls. It's a nice open spot for the living room. It's cute. I've got my assistant here, Delilah. It does come furnished. There is I think that's electric.
Yeah, I think so too.
You're wrong.
Okay.
That's actually propane powered, so that will put off a lot of heat for the wintertime. So it is semi-open. You've got the little small dining room right here. The bedroom's right there. But I'm going to show you this little section right here. The kitchen, it's pretty spacious. I like the cabinets. They're the Z cabinets. Typically, those are handmade. There's a dishwasher here. Granite countertops. It's a nice granite. That is a nice, very nice granite. It's electric. Stainless steel. You got a back door there, which I'll go out in just a moment. She's got a little coffee station set up right there. All right, so here is the bedroom that would be, I believe, the master. So it's sheetrock. And as you can see on the floor, it's wood. There is a king-size bed in here. It's a fairly big bedroom. There's a little desk area there. So there's a closet. There's the bathroom. And I'm coming back this direction so you can see there's this little section right here. It's a table, kind of like a dresser. I wonder if that is where a return air vent is, which I'll check and see on the other side in the dining room. It's probably so. So you've got a standing shower. And you got your stacked washer dryer that's here in the bathroom. And it's a single sink. All wood in here, which is cute. And then this little nook.
It is a return air vent.
It is?
Yeah.
My little assistant said that that is a return air vent. So I see here that there's a little lock on it. So you could use this as a owner's closet if it was a rental. That would work great. There is a seasonal view out the back. You can see a little bit of mountains. So as my assistant said, this is a return air vent. Here is bedroom number 2. That is a queen. Gosh, it looks like a king, but I think it is a queen. So both bedrooms are all sheetrock. There's a little nook area there. Okay. So wood floors throughout. This one has tile. So it's a tile bath. So you do have one bathroom that's got a standing shower, and the other bathroom has the bathtub shower combination. Got a little hutch there. All right, Miss Delilah, would you open that up? Thank you. We're going to go out the back door. It is full-fledged raining now. Woohoo! There's that little storage building there. Closed in fenced area. There's fire pit, and there's the hot tub. So that looks new to the property. Cute little place. There's a neighbor. There's a neighbor there. So that definitely is a road that goes down to 2 other homes. All right, so just to recap, it is 469 Mull Drive. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, built in 1998. It's 936 square feet in Mineral Bluff. 2-bedroom, 2-bath. If you have any questions with this one or with any other, Tanya Davenport with Coldwell Banker High Country in the beautiful North Georgia Mountains, 706-455-6977.